It's the big revelation on Business Today television. If you've been battling the income tax website to file your tax returns, there may be some relief for you. Business Today TV has learned that the last date for filing income tax returns is likely to be extended beyond the 30th of September, perhaps by 30 to 45 days. A final decision on this is likely after the 15th of this month. The deadline set by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to Infosys to fix the glitches that taxpayers have been facing on the website ever since it went live on the 7th of June. Business Today TV has exclusive information that at least 3 IT return forms are yet to be uploaded on the tax filing website. These are Form 5 for partnership firms, Form 6 for limited companies and Form 7 for societies and trusts. There have been other glitches as well. Tax deducted at source displayed on the website does not match the figure in Form 26AS. Details from Form 16 are not reflected. Interest calculations are incorrect, as well as inability to e-verify returns, among others. Ved Jain, former President ICAI, joining us now on this. Mr. Jain, take us through the implications, why the setback. There have been so many high-level meetings trying to resolve these glitches, these issues, but it seems that it's still a while before we can get those niggles ironed out.
See, the challenge is coming into the operation of the new portal. The CBDT made an announcement that this portal will be put into operation on 7th June. And then the last date was at that point of time was 30th September. And now for almost 2 months, we are on 6th September. After 7th June, it's more than 3 months almost. And we are still in the dark when this portal will get into operation. So there is no idea as on date. Though the finance minister in the meeting held in the last week of August with the Infosys people, they have assured that this portal will be put into operation by 15th September. Assuming that this portal gets into operation on 15th September, as you rightly pointed out, the taxpayer need to know how much tax has been deducted at source. And that information is available when Form 26AS will be available. Form 26AS will be available when all these TDS returns get processed and get reflected on the portal. So it will take sufficient time for that purpose. After you get the information, what tax has been deducted, then you need to compile your return, compute your income, pay taxes. So time period is required. So I believe at least 30 to 45 days time will be required for the taxpayer to collate all this data and then to file the returns.
So lots of challenges that continue to plague the portal, and that will be looked to be resolved on priority by the regulators. Mr. Jain, thanks so much for joining us. Mercedes has warned that the ongoing shortage of semiconductors, which has crippled the auto industry, may not be resolved for another 2 years. It has, however, added that the situation could start easing a little from the last quarter of the year. The company has joined the likes of Toyota, Ford, GM, Volkswagen and Honda in shutting down production in some of its plants. According to some estimates, the shortage is likely to hit production to the tune of $110 billion this year. The shortage has, however, not failed to dampen enthusiasm for electric vehicles out of the Mercedes stable. The company has announced its ambition to turn all electric by the turn of this decade.